Here I go? Okay. Hi, my name is Jeremy Versletsky, and this is my backyard ranch we just put up in here. We're in Mesa, Arizona with a big dog steak, and that's what I'm talking about. I got me and my horse out here right now. It's a little raining right now, so I'm going to do a mud riding video right now. I'm going to teach you guys how to ride in the mud, alright? Pretty much. I'm going to try it. Okay, I'm going to show you the proper way to doubles, hit corners in the mud, and we'll have my wash station right here later. I'll tell you guys how to properly clean the mud off of a bike. Zoom over to my badass bike over here. This is slick son bitch right here. Check this thing. Wee! Yeah, it's a 2006 Honda CRF 450FR. It pulls like it pulls. Shit! The big son of a bitch. Whoa. Here's one down there.
You got a kill plug.
What?
You got a plug. Start it.
This son of a bitch got some kick.
Go, you move, we go, no don't go. You move, we don't, now go. Now don't you move, we won't go. Now don't go, go. I thought the way that she moved meant the way that she tasted. I could rip this thing right through her lips. A captivating experience that left me here with an intoxicating. I'm down on what you say. You're becoming so the same. But tonight I'm setting all my memories aside. How many times can we watch him crumble? Histrionics repeats itself all over again. If it were up to me, you're good. I've been dying to get it into you somehow. Go, you move, we go, no don't go. You move, we don't, now go. Now don't you move, we won't go. Now don't go, go. Found out the way that he moved, found out the way that he tasted. Then he ripped his things right from her lips, never thinking the first time that they met would be the last she saw of him. How many times can we watch him crumble? Histrionics repeats itself all over again. If it were up to me, you're good. I've been dying to get it into you somehow. How many times can we watch him crumble?
Now that is how you ride a motorcycle, ATV off-road, any off-road vehicle, dirt bike, and preferably this badass 450 right here in the mud. You can come over, you can train with me anytime you want, but you don't have to come to a man's house. You gotta eat some man food, not no boy food. And you don't know no boys over here, buddy.